Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite hair growth accountability partner. If you're new to the channel, you're welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing the 13-week moisture routine for my 6-month hair growth challenge that is currently ongoing in this channel. So if you've been struggling to retain the length of your hair, this video is for you. Make sure to consider subscribing to the channel and also join this hair growth challenge, and trust me, you're definitely going to get all the tips and answers to the questions that you have on how to care for your hair. Okay, so in today's video, it's going to be all about moisture, how to keep it in, how to lock it in, and why your braids desperately need moisture right now. So I'll be using aloe vera gel, ayurvedic oil, and shea butter, and I'm also going to show you how I apply everything and talk about the benefits along the way. So if this is what you'd love to watch, consider watching this video to the end. Also do well to give the video a big thumbs up if you find it helpful, and subscribe if you're yet to. Trust me, you're definitely going to love it here. Okay, so now let us dive into the video. In my previous video, I showed how I extracted the aloe vera gel. So if you've not seen that video, I'm going to drop the link in the description or in the comment section for you to go and watch it. When your braids start to get frizzy, your new growth is exposed and dryness becomes the biggest enemy. So that is why moisture is the key right now. Not just spraying water, but also sealing the moisture in. And dry hair equals breakage, and we don't want that. Like, we've come too far in this hair growth journey for dryness to now be an issue for us. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with my aloe vera gel as seen in the video. You can see how I massage it into my scalp, and I also work it gently into the length of my hair because this is very beneficial. Aloe vera is rich in nutrients that helps to soothe the scalp, also helps to reduce dandruff and hydrate the hair. So this is very important, and I also shared how to use the aloe vera gel in the video I made on when I extracted it. So I said that you can use it as a scalp treatment where you massage it into your scalp. It helps to soothe inflammation and also boost blood circulation, and this helps to stimulate hair growth. So you can also use it as a pre-pull treatment, that is, you apply the mixture before you shampoo your hair in order to protect your hair and also help to detangle the hair easily before you wash it. So you can see that you can also use it as a pre-pull treatment, and you can also use it as a leave-in moisture treatment where you mix the gel with water and essential oil and you use it for daily moisturizing routine. So you can use this within 3 to 5 days, or you freeze it for a longer period of time. Okay, so this really is very helpful, and it helps a lot for hair growth and also for moisture, most especially. So for those that have been wondering, they've been looking for ways to get a moisturizer that does not contain any protein, you can consider using aloe vera, or you buy it. Like, I'm very sure there'll be an aloe vera moisturizer that they sell out there, so you can consider getting that as well. Even myself, if I see any aloe vera moisturizer, I'm definitely going to get it, but for now I'm just going to be using the freshly made gel extracted from the plant. Okay, so if you've gotten to this part of the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to, and also share the video to anyone that'll be interested in content like this. Leave it in the comment section below. Let us know if you've used aloe vera before. Let us know in the comment section. Please take note, when you're extracting the gel from the plant, try to blend it, because if you don't blend it, the kind of chunks that you're going to have in your hair, honestly, is going to be a lot, a whole lot. Normally, if I'm using this, I'll just focus on the slimy gel, and then I won't scrape out the remaining one, because now you don't want this thing to waste. But this time I scrape out everything, and then it left me with chunks of gel on my hair, and you don't want this, okay? Because when I think week later that I washed my hair, I just, those chunks were still there. Like, I rinsed my hair, I washed my hair, and I saw the chunks of the aloe vera gel on the floor in the bathroom. So I'm like, okay, let me come and remind my people, if you're going to do this, make sure you blend it smoothly so that it won't leave out any chunks in your hair. So the next is the Ayurvedic oil. Guys, this one na ogbonge Ayurveda. A lot of beneficial Ayurveda are packed in this oil that helps to stimulate hair growth, and it also helps to reduce shedding. Okay, give this a try. So all you need to do is to do this moisture routine twice in a week. Make sure you're applying it twice in a week, and also massaging it. Don't just apply and just move on. Apply and massage gently. Okay, so the next thing is my shea butter, which I use to seal up everything, to lock in the moisture so that it will not escape, and it's going to last me until the next time that I'm going to be moisturizing the hair again. So make sure you are doing all of this, and trust me, that result that you are looking for, you're definitely going to get it. So always seal with either an oil or an hair butter after you apply your after you apply your aloe vera gel or any other water based product. And as I said, use it twice a week, or anyhow you feel suit your hair. Okay, and then consistency is what will take you to the finish line of this hair growth challenge. So make sure you don't give up, and always remember that it is a journey. Okay, it takes time, but you will definitely see the results. I also want to know how your hair growth, how your hair is feeling. Let me know in the comment section. At this stage, how does your hair feel? Are you moisturizing regularly? What has been your go-to combo? And then, are you feeling a little lazy? Because trust me, sometimes I feel lazy. So be honest with me in the comment section. We are here to support each other. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're yet to, and share to anyone that will be interested in content like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye.